Meanwhile, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang has described the death of 9-year-old Kelsey Ferrigan as an evil, heinous and cowardly act. He is urging the public not to harbor or protect the suspect, who up to news time remains at large. Giovanni Ellis is being sought in relation to the child's killing. Now, a $2 million reward is being offered for anyone who gives information leading to his capture.
It's hard to understand and appreciate where somebody could get talent. Difficult for me to wrap my head around this kind of thing. We are offering a reward to ensure that individuals, even if not horrified by this, will have reason to bring it to the police.